Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likayisebe nendodana nomoya ogcobileyo. Today I would like us to reflect on the Gospel of Luke chapter 9 verses 37 to verse 42. Ngiyafisa sifunde izwi likaNkulunkulu ku verse 37 na ku verse 42 evangelini lika Lucas chapter 9. Now the most beautiful thing ngale section engikhuluma ngayo yenzeka after abafundi bakaJesu bekhuphukele entabeni kaNkulunkulu. Bakhuphukele entabeni kaNkulunkulu la behlangane khona noMose noElijah noNkulunkulu uqobo lwakhe. La behlangene khona nobuNkulunkulu benkosi yethu uJesu Kristo. Kodwa namhlanje angeke ngiyibuke leyo ngcenye. Bathi masebehla bebuyela emuva. Verse 37 uthi, on the next day when they came down from the mountain, a large crowd met Jesus and his disciples. And there was a man in the crowd who cried out, "Master, I beg you, look at my son. He is my only child. For a spirit seizes him, and he suddenly screams, and it convulses him until he foams at the mouth, and it releases him only with difficulty, wearing him out." There's a lot that one can pick up from these 2-3 verses. On the next day, when he came down from the mountain, a large crowd met him. Have you ever noticed ukuthi uma uzila usemkhulekweni akuve ulingwa noma akuve izilingo zisondelana nawe? Uma usemkhulekweni, especially if ufastile, it's like you opening doors la izilingo and temptations and chaos isondela empilweni yomuntu. Have you ever noticed when you decide empilweni yakho ukuthi I just want peace, akuve ziningi izinto ezikhathaza nehlukumeza umoya wakho? And for me, this speaks to this spiritual concept. You are constantly at war within the spiritual powers. You are constantly at war. And wayiqinisile obhala kahle uma ethi bheka usathane ufana nengonyama ezulazula emhlabeni efuna abantu engababhubhisa. Wayiqinisile uma obhala kahle encwadini kaJobe uNkulunkulu embuza uSathane ukuba uvelaphi. Athi ngivela ezweni lasemhlabeni. Athi uNkulunkulu amehlakho ayibonile inceki yami. Athi yebo ngiyibonile futhi ngiyayicela. Ngisafuna ukukunikeza this assurance ukuthi uma you are going through things, uma you are going through issues, it means uNkulunkulu ukubheke ngomusa. If you are going through issues, if you are going through certain difficulties, you have found favor with God. You have found favor with God. Kungani ngisho kanje? Cela uyibhale phansi lento. Uma uNkulunkulu engathandi angeke kwenzeke. Uma uNkulunkulu engathandi angeke kwenzeke. Ngiyafisa uyikholwe uyazi leyo nto. Ayikho into eyoke yenzeke empilweni yakho unless God has allowed it. Uma uNkulunkulu engafuni ngeke kwenzeke. Yingakho ngakhuleka lo mkhuleko othi nqaba nami Nkosi. Lapha amandla ephela endleleni, uyakwazi ukuthepha, uyakwazi ukuphakamisa isandla, uyakwazi ukumemeza, uyakwazi ukukhala uthi nqaba nami Nkosi, nakhu amandla esengiphelela. Kodwa before wenze njalo, ngiyafisa wazi ukuthi uma uNkulunkulu engathandi angeke kwenzeke lutho kuwena. Why? Point number 2, you are always protected by God's power. You are always protected by God's power. That's important. Izulu livikela wena. Yabona ithandwa zami, khona into esingayi understand, esingayazi. Uyazi ukuthi izulu liyalisukume ngegaba ezithile uma kunezinto ezenzeka empilweni yakho. Uthi uStefane mabemkhanda ngamatshe, uthi bheka ngibona amazulu evuleka. It's something he had never seen before. Uthi ngibona amazulu evuleka athohleli ngakwesonene sikaNkulunkulu esukuma. Uthi uShadrach noMeshach noAbednego mabefakwa esithandweni somlilo, inkosi uNebukadnezari ibona into engakaze yayibona. Ibuze ithi, asifakangani amadoda amathathu eboshiwe esithandweni somlilo? Kungani pho sibona eyesine phakathi kwabo? Kungani pho sibona behambela? Kungani pho singabezwa bekhala kodwa bedumisa? Atho bhala kahle mayixoxa indaba kaPaulos noSilas, athi abapriste babathatha babafaka etilongweni bababopha. Atho bhala kahle athi uPaulos noSilas athi babedumisa uNkulunkulu besetilongweni, athi babedumisa uThixo bexakekile. Athi abhala kahle athi amaketanga athi aqashuka. Athi abhala kahle madoda amahle athi namaketanga ayikade evala iminyango athi kwaqashuka. Athi abhala kahle insizwe ibagadile yathi mayivuka, yathi mayifuna ukuyibulala, bathi ningayibulali ngoba sakhona khona le nkonzo engifuna ukuya kuyona. Izulu likuvikele, izulu likuvikele. Khona lento uNkulunkulu ayenzayo ngawe, khona lento uNkulunkulu ayiphakamisayo ngomndeni wakho. Uyabona, ungazibona wena udelelekile phakathi komndeni, ungenabantwana, udelelekile phakathi komndeni ungasebenzi, udelelekile phakathi komndeni uxakwa zingane zakho, udelelekile emsebenzini, udelelwa zingane nabasebenzi, udelelekile empilweni, ubuka izinto ubobuka lento ekuthiwa itsunami. Bathi abayazi kangcono itsunami happens when amaplate eshifta ngaphansi komhlaba. Kodwa abazi kangcono bathi amanzi recedes, abuyele emuva. Zimbalwa into eqale zenzeke makuzokwenzeka lo tsunami, kuthiwa inyoni around ziyakhala, khala kakhulu, zibaleka, zibanga umsindo. Kodwa amanzi they recede, ayahlehla nje amanzi ngendlela engajwayelekile, ahlehle ngendlela eyisimanga, buyele emuva. Kodwa kuthiwa la ibuya khona, la ebuya khona, thandwa zami, you may think ungasebenzi kwakho, ukuxakeka kwakho, whatever you are going through, you may think it is 10 steps backwards. But ngifuna ukuxoxela ukuthi hambo landa amandla uNkulunkulu. Hambo cela uNkulunkulu akwembathe ngenyembezi okuzona ngosizi odlula kulona, mucela uNkulunkulu akwembathe. Mucela uNkulunkulu amise ngakuwe, mucela uNkulunkulu azambule kuwena. Engifuna ukusho kuwena namhlanje, uma uNkulunkulu bengafuni bengeke kwenzeke, ngoba wena izulu likuvikele, wena izulu likwengamele. Athi obhala kahle uthi uJesu umesehla isixuku sihlangana naye. Uthi mehla ehlangana nesixuku bese kuphakama indoda phakathi kwesixuku, ithi baba, ithi le ndodana yami, athi uyena mntwana enginaye, athi kodwa kunomoya oyihlukumezayo, athi mayisehlukumezeka, athi uyaqabalasa, athi uyahayiza, athi uyakhala, athi azacisha ukuyilimaza, athi kodwa lento eyenzeka kuyena mina ngazi ngizokwenzani ngayo. Khona lenkonzo eyenzakalayo, people will always make demands of you. People will always make demands of impilo yakho. And unless you are rooted in God, unless you are a grounded person, uzolimala. You'll be drained. You'll be tired. You will be irritable. Uzoba frustrated. Kukona konke ithandwa zami, be rooted in God. Be rooted in His word. Be rooted in His love. Be affirmed ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakuthanda. Be affirmed ukuthi moya ongcwele, bhala phansi, write this down. Izulu lithembe mina. Izulu liyakuthemba ukuthi you are not going to pull out. Izulu liyakuthemba ukuthi you are not going to back down. Izulu liyakuthemba ukuthi you are not going to lose the script. Izulu liyakuthemba ukuthi you are not going to walk away. Izulu liyakuthemba ukuthi ngeke usabe ubaleke. Izulu liyakuthemba ukuthi you will see this to the end. Izulu liyakuthemba. Izulu lonke lihleli. And abanye mhlambe bayesaba. Abanye mhlambe bathi inkosi azophela amandla la. Abanye bathi inkosi ngeke kusizakale. Abanye bathi inkosi uSibanibani siyamazi unethika, uSibanibani siyamazi unolaka, uSibanibani siyamazi uyashesha ukuduba. Kodwa ngifuna ukusho kuwena namhlanje, izulu lithembe wena. Don't you dare walk away from this. Khona lento uNkulunkulu ngiyacabanga ukuthi le ndoda esezulwini ilokhu iphulula kancane inwele, ilokhu iphulula kancane intshebe. Ithi bafana bami, at give it time, at is not pulling out. At giving time, at she's not pulling out. At giving time, at I know engikubeke enhlizweni yakhe moya ongcwele. Izulu lithembe wena. Whatever engifuna ukusho kuwena, uma le ndoda yakuJesu iya kuyena ngoba iyamethemba, uma iyakuJesu iya kuyena ngoba kukho la ibizo yakhona, uma iyakuJesu iya kuyena ngoba abanye bahlulekile. Engithi kuwena namhlanje, izulu lithembe wena. Go back to those 3 principles. Number 1, uNkulunkulu bengafuni bengeke kwenzeke. Number 2, uNkulunkulu kuvikele. Number 3, izulu lithembe wena. Don't you dare pull out. Don't you dare walk away from this. Don't you dare throw it. Izulu lithembe wena. Akekho omunye obezoyenza lento. Moya ongcwele. Athi obhala kahle encwadini kaJohane chapter 4, athi uJesu kwakuswelekile ukuba ngidlule Samaria. Khona lenkonzo uNkulunkulu ayenza kuwena mhlawumbe uyibona, kodwa bekuswelekile. Bengekho omunye bekuswelekile emndenini wakini. Athi obhala kahle athi kwakuswelekile ukuba hlushwe afaniswe nathi ukuze abe ngumpriest omuhle, ukuze abe umpriest oqonda usizi lwethu. Hebrews chapter 2 verse 16 to 18. Bekuswelekile angibhalela phansi. Bekuswelekile ukuthi nalokhu kwenzeke empilweni yami. Bekuswelekile ukuba nalokhu kwenzeke empilweni yami. Don't walk away from your marriage. Don't walk away from your children. Don't walk away from this pain. Bekuswelekile. Bekuswelekile ukuba nalokhu kwenzeke. Moya ongcwele, write this down, ukuze akhonzeke kahle uThixo. 1 point, bekuswelekile ukuba nalokhu kwenzeke empilweni yami. And another point, ukuze akhonzeke kahle uThixo. Khona izinto ekumele zenzeke emndenini wakini, kodwa kuswelekile ukuthi udlule la ukuze uThixo akhonzeke kahle. Khona abantu ekumele baphile, kodwa bekuswelekile ukuthi udlule la ukuze uThixo akhonzeke kahle. Khona izinto ebekumele iqaqeke, bekuswelekile ukuthi udlule la ukuze uThixo akhonzeke kahle. Bekuswelekile ukuba udlule la ukuze uThixo akhonzeke kahle. Yabona le ndoda iyakuJesu ngoba ithi akekho omunye bengizoya kuyena. Iyombikela izinto. Khona ezinye izinto izokwenzeka and kuswelekile ukuze uThixo akhonzeke kahle. uJesu uthi mayilalela le ndaba in verse 40 uthi, I begged your disciples to cast it out but they could not. Bazamile abanye abantu moya ongcwele abantu abazi kungani sihleli kuloNkulunkulu. Abantu abazi kungani sila abantu abaya bebengeke hamba nathi endleleni, abazi izinto adlulise kuzona, abazazi nezinto abasenzele kuzona. Uthi namhlanje lo baba uthi ngile kubafundi bakho, uthi ngibacelile, uthi kodwa bahlulekile. Ithandwa zami, izwe alazi la ngivela khona noNkulunkulu. Write this down for me. Izwe alazi la engivela khona noNkulunkulu wami. Izwe alazi la engivela khona noNkulunkulu wami. Abantu, people think they know, they don't know. Uthi uJesu mekhuluma bebegxeka owesifazane omgcoba ngamafutha, omgcoba ngeinwele, omgcoba ngeinyembezi. Uthi uJudas, what a waste. Athi uJesu, mfana wami, ukhuluma ngoba wazi ukuthi lo muntu usuka phi noNkulunkulu. Athi ukhuluma Simoni ngoba wazi ukuthi lo muntu uNkulunkulu menzeleni. Athi ocula kahle, athi ungagxeki indumiso yami ngoba uzazi inyembezi zami. Ungagxeki ukukhuleka kwami ngoba uzazi inyembezi zami. Ungagxeki ubumina ngoba uzazi inyembezi zami. Izwa lazi ukuthi ngisukaphi nalo Nkulunkulu. Ubona abantu abadala egcekeni uma beyaluza becula, ungazi ukuthi wena hey uneme namhlanje usibanibani, hey ujabule namhlanje usibanibani. Abantu abazi. Izwe alazi inyembezi zakho zisukaphi. Izwe alazi injabulo yakho isukaphi. Izwe alazi usizi lwakho lusukaphi. Izwe alazi ukulimala kwakho kusukaphi. Izwe alazi ukudinwa kwakho kusukaphi. Izwe alazi ukuduba kwakho kusukaphi. Abazi. Izwe alazi ngisukaphi nalo Nkulunkulu. Abazi. Athi ngendlala indumiso phekwa lameva. Ngoba izwa lazi ukuthi ngisukaphi, libona sengila kodwa bakambulelwa nala uyakhona. Oh moya ongcwele. Khona izinto okumele uzazi. Athi uNkulunkulu mebhala kahle, athi ngiyakubonga baba kunezinto ongazambulelanga bayitshela bazihlakaniphi nezazi. Athi kodwa uzambulela abancinyane. Oh moya ongcwele. Uyazi sonke singaba sendlini eyodwa kodwa singambulelwa ngokufana. Sonke singazalwa unkosikazi oyedwa kodwa singambulelwa ngokufana. Sonke singahlala emithingini eyodwa kodwa singambulelwa ngokufana. Sonke singabuka into eyodwa kodwa singambulelwa. Write that down for me. Kodwa singambulelwa ngokufanayo. Kodwa singambulelwa ngokufanayo. Kodwa singambulelwa ngokufanayo. Khona izinto uThixo athi usibanibani ngeke ngimvezele lezi. Kodwa singambulelwa ngokufanayo. Khona ezinye izinto khona uNkulunkulu mina ngeke ngithi ingqwele yomfana le yani ingqwele yenza izinto zayo ngendlela yayo. Athi ngeke ngibakhombise mina, ngizokhombisa wena nje. Kodwa ngeke ngibakhombise. Hayi inkosi bakhombise phela khona kuzoba nje. Athi no. My God, athi ubhala kahle, when the time is right. Isikhathi sesifikile. When the time is right, I, the Lord your God, will make it happen. When the time is right. Uthi lo baba sengibazame bonke kodwa bahlulekile. uJesu aphendule kuyena athi, oh faithless and perverse generation, how long will I be with you and enjoy you? Bring your son here. As he was coming forward, the demon threw him into the ground in convulsion, but Jesus rebuked the unclean spirit. He healed the boy, and he returned him to his father. My God, 3 words. He rebuked the unclean spirit. He healed the boy and he returned him to his father. My God. Mark chapter 3 verse 14. Wababiza ukuba bahlale naye. Wabanikeza amandla phezu kwemimoya yonke. Wabanikeza amandla okwelapha konke. Yazi kwesinye isikhathi asilifundi izwi. Masilifunda mhlambe asiliqondi. Ingakho ubhala kahle athi izwi likaNkulunkulu lingamadoda asiqondisayo endleleni. Athi izwi likaNkulunkulu lifana nesinkembe sibukhala inhlangothi zonke. Athi izwi likaNkulunkulu lifanele ukululeka nokuyala nokufundisa. Mark chapter 3 verse 14 uthi wababiza ukuze babe naye. Wabanika amandla phezu kwemimoya yonke. Wabanikeza amandla okuphilisa konke. Awukwazi ukuphilisa uNkulunkulu engakunikanga. Awukwazi ukuba namandla phezu kwemimoya uNkulunkulu engakunikanga. Ingakho namhlanje ethi mayibuka le ndoda ebesethi yawuhlulekile bahlulwa yini labafana ngoba ngibanikile nje amandla. Bese kuyavuka kumina amadoda amahle amhlophe ukuthi baningi abangangena emanzini kodwa kusibo bonke abayophuma bemanzi. Khona abanye abantu abathela amanzi kanti wathela emhlane wedatha. Khona abanye abantu abathela amanzi kanti ngeke abenze lutho because hayi ukuthi abanikwanga, abanikiwe ukuthi abawathathanga, hayi ukuthi abanikwanga ukuthi abayazanga lemfihlakalo. Bathatha amagama washona namhlanje ubhala kahle ezwini lakhe lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu uyangithinta mina lo Jesu uthi the first thing he did he rebuked the unclean spirit. Wawuthathisa lo moya. Besiswela le ndodana kaNkulunkulu ezokingene emzini yobaba mkhulu, ezokingene emsebenzini, ezokingene emabandleni kaNkulunkulu iyokhuza lemimoya. Khona leli culo ayanda ntanzi athi kwasukuma ingwevu, athi kwasukuma ikhehle elidala libona ingxokozelo lathi imimoya ngemimoya, athi wayapha umoya ongcwele engathi bengalithatha iculo lalensizwa bese ngithi mina bengiswela uNkulunkulu obezosukuma. Athi obhala kahle umoya ogijima uyezenzo zabapostoli uchapter 5 uthi bakhuleka, uthi maqedane indonga zendlu zazamazama, indonga zendlu zanyakaza ngoba kwase kufika umoya kaThixo. Yazi khona inkinga esibalekele. Baningi abaqinisiwe kodwa baze bawuthola umoya ocwebileyo. Baningi abaqinisiwe kodwa bawutholanga umoya ocwebileyo. Besimswela uNkulunkulu athumele umoya wakhe emabandleni akhe. Besimswela uNkulunkulu athumele umoya wakhe emzini yobaba. Besimswela uNkulunkulu athumele umoya wakhe einhlizweni zethu. Besimswela uNkulunkulu athumele umoya wakhe nasemsebenzini yethu. Besimswela uNkulunkulu athumele umoya wakhe ozoxosha imimoya. Siswela uNkulunkulu nje azothumela umoya ozoxosha imimoya engcolileyo. Athi not under my watch. Athi not under my watch. Athi ngeke kwenzeke not under my watch. Not kubantwana bami. Not inkosikazi wami. Not kumyeni wami. Not kubazali bami. besimswela uNkulunkulu ozongena emsebenzini ayoxosha imimoya. Moya ongcwele kunemsebenzi engaphethwa abantu, ephethwe zilwane, engaphethwa abantu, ephethwe amadosha, engaphethwa abantu, ephethwe zingcabo. Athi kunamabandla angaphethwa abantu, aphethwe amadosha, angaphethwa abantu, aphethwe zinyoka, angaphethwa abantu, aphethwe zingcabo. Besimswela umoya kaNkulunkulu ayokhuza xoshele imimoya edunga izwi likaNkulunkulu. Besuswela umoya kaNkulunkulu ozoxosha yonke lento edala isiphithiphithi. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu thobhala kahle, he rebuked the spirits. He rebuked the unclean spirit. Sesiyangiphelela isikhathi. Okwesibili uthi he healed the boy. He healed the boy. I pray for your healing. La ulimele khona, I pray for your healing. La ukwebheke khona, I pray for your healing. La usale khona endleleni, I pray for your healing. And that last word, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu wathatha umfana wambuyisela kuyise. This is the last word engicela ukushiya nayo. Wathatha umfana wambuyisela kuyise. uNkulunkulu uzokubuyisela konke okudliwe isikhonyana. Wathatha umfana wambuyisela kuyise. uNkulunkulu uzothatha konke okudliwe isikhonyane akubuyisele kona. uNkulunkulu akusona isehluleki. uNkulunkulu is not a beggar. Ukubuyisela uNkulunkulu konke. Konke means konke. Ukubuyisela. Hamba ubuza uDaniel. Uzokunika more than what you've thought, what you've imagined. Wathatha umfana wambuyisela kuyise. Uzokuthatha uNkulunkulu akubuyisele konke okudliwe isikhonyana. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.